Good morning, everyone. We're happy to be out here today on Sunday, the first working day of the week. And we are preparing to go into the greenhouse to show how our raised bed is being formulated. But we need materials to do this work. And one of the important materials we need are leaves, or organic material. Leaves, hay, straw, wood chips, sawdust, pine needles. So now we have leaves here, and we are raking up the leaves, put them on the truck and take them to the greenhouse, and we will grind them up. We grind some of them up because the leaves take quite a long time to break if they are not broken down. So we grind them up and break them down. We use them as a cover, and those that are not broken down, we use them as layers for the bed. I put soil on top of them and wet them, and then it hastens the decomposition of the leaves or any organic material. Once you wet it and put soil on it, it hastens the decomposition of it. So these leaves, you will see later on, we'll use them in the greenhouse in the formation of the raised beds. Leaves are very important for the garden. Very, very important. If you are purchasing land, be sure to purchase land that has trees on it, because the trees serve many functions. Very, very useful for firewood, they help with erosion, to avoid pigment erosion, and they help with the leaves that you need, because the trees go deep down into the ground. There are basically two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. And the trees here are taproot. They go deep down into the ground and bring up the minerals for us. When the leaves fall, it doesn't mean they are useless or dead. They have life in them. When we take that life, that leaf, and reuse it in the garden, and that's all you need in the time of trouble. All you need is the leaves. Just the broken leaves alone will be able to cause the plants to produce as usual. And it is important, if you have leaves or straw or hay around the house in your property, that you stockpile. It's a word that every person should learn who's making garden. When we look at the time of trouble that's before us, as depicted in Revelation 13:17, we need to stockpile. That means store things up and just put them in a corner, and they will break down, and you use them as fertilizer. Another great fertilizer to use in the time of trouble, it's called end-time fertilizer. That is comfrey. You take the comfrey leaves and you put them in water to soak, and you feed the plants with them. It has NPK, and it has all the major nutrients the plants need, all the minerals, major minerals the plants need. So be careful when you have your garden, be sure to have some comfrey in it, a good bit of it. What you have to be mindful about with the comfrey is that it's invasive, so you want the plant by itself. It spreads very quickly. So that helps very much in providing nutrients for the plants when we cannot buy nor sell. And we'll show you that when you have property, you don't have to buy soil. Later on, we'll show you how you obtain soil from your property, and you don't have to purchase soil from the store. Neither do you have to purchase fertilizer, because your leaves will do that for you. Even the branches of the trees, you cut down a tree, you take the branch, the smaller branches about 3 inches in diameter, and you could grind them up in a chipper shredder and have wood chips. And the big, the logs, you take that and you use for firewood. So today, later on, you'll see how we go about formulating a raised bed. And that's it for now. And again, this is endtimegardening.com. Raphael Cobb speaking, and my number is 731-418-0096. And we'll also display to you the different end time gardening tools we use. Thank you very much, and God bless you.